back, everyone, to Sporks and Dorks, and today we are having the, released it out again. It is the pretzel crusted pizza. Hope you guys... I put a piece of bread in there. I didn't want all the bread. My mother got this crust stuffed, so we do have stuffed crust. Nice pull. Oh my goodness, yes. This is a good pizza. I'm dipping it in marinara. If you hear people in the background, it's just my family. You know, the smart thing would have been to bring a napkin or something. But I am not that smart. Oh. And we are drinking Gatorade Frost, Thirst Quench, Arctic Blitz. I love this. It tastes awesome. Oh my gosh, you guys. This semester is going to be hectic. So I have to make business cards, and I don't really... It's supposed to represent me and who I am, and the art I do. I just wanted to do that. I'm sorry. Maybe get a good thumbnail there. So, I don't really know anything really good to put on my my business cards. I've made something recently. It was like a planet. I do 3D work, 3D animation, by the way. I made this planet in this like test tube spinning around. I was thinking putting it out on there, but to be honest, I'll probably ask one of my professors, because I don't know how you make an appealing business card, to be honest. I really don't. Excuse me. So, how have y'all's week been, or day, or how's it going with you guys? I'm running out of marinara. That's fine. That's fine. My day's been good. I had a good crit today. Again, I'm talking about school, but... So... I don't know, I just want to fill you guys in what a crit is. Some of you probably already know, but if you don't know what it is, it's when everybody in the classroom tells you things that are good about your work and things that are bad about your work. And this is this is in an art college, so yeah, but I had a great day. I'm gonna tell y'all now, this pizza's kinda a little salty, but that's just because it's a pretzel pizza and there's salt on the pretzel part. Besides that, it's really good. Mm. Oh! There's this little fun fact that I seen it on Instagram. It was about Disney. It was about Disney. And specifically about one of their movies. So it was yeah. It was about Toy Story 2. I'm gonna put the crust here for now because I really like it. I kind of want to eat it later. This had a cut in it, and then it like they went to cut right here, and then they stopped. Anyway. Anyways. So what happened was Disney, at the time they were working on, they were working on Toy Story 2, right? And in the middle of working on it, the company accidentally, well, this is what it said, it's a little fact. They said that the company, Disney, accidentally deleted the whole movie of Toy Story 2. And in thinking about that, before I read the rest of it, I was like, wow, so did we get a different Toy Story 2? Was it completely different, or did they remake it all from scratch and it was everything made over again? Because I was thinking about it, I was like, what if Toy Story, this is a very greasy pizza. Note to self, it's Little Caesars. You need to have a napkin. Anyways. They deleted the whole movie, and I was like, oh my god. Like, did they have to, like, I had stopped reading, and, like, I had pondered on it on myself and was like, did they have to remake the whole movie, you know? Did they make it from scratch? Is it the same movie? Did we watch something different as a kid? Or, like, what is this? Like, how does things like that happen? And when I went back to reading, like, continued reading it after, like, my brain went through all those scenarios. And I read that the movie was saved It was saved on one of the workers who worked at home, one of her computers. She had it saved on there. She had it saved onto the computer itself. And it was the reason why that we got the movie that we got, because she had it backed up on her own computer, and she was able to, like, tell the company, oh, well, I have it, so no worries. So it was saved because, in a way, it was saved because this woman had it backed up on her own computer. And I was thinking how close of a call that was, and would have been, in the lessons and stuff we would have had to learn differently if they made a different movie in an exchange because they accidentally deleted it, and if they didn't have it saved somewhere. So I just found that, like, enthralling. Like, even big companies like that make mistakes. Like, they don't mean to, and there's always going to be, with companies, I'm not saying Disney personally, but I'm saying large corporations are always going to have somebody to fall back onto. So, the last person to have used the computer that wiped it probably got in severe trouble. And or probably fired. That wasn't on there, that's me speculating. But, to be honest, probably what happened. And then that got me thinking, like, even big corporations have hiccups and growth spurts throughout the years that they are running and open and how they do work. I just found it really, really interesting because I never knew that happened with Disney, and I was so interested, and I might even, like, look up some articles and stuff on it because I just want to read more and, like, what actually happened, like, how did it get deleted? Because, you know, usually they're so cautious and, you know, things, and they make sure of things, and one minor hiccup causes, you know, catastrophic events for a whole corporation. You know, I got really off topic of my business cards, but in the end, still interesting for me, this conversation. I'm gonna put that bread over there. Thank you for being here today. Thank you for listening to my little rant about my business cards in my school. And tell me how you feel about that Disney hiccup. How that went. Tell me how your day's gone, because I do want to know. And thank you for being here and eating with me this amazing meal. Like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell when and if you want to be notified. And with that, thank you for being here, dorks. Have a good day. Bye-bye.